say a virtuous one is hard to find nowadays. Cause vanity have enough of them gaze. You want the truth? You want me to tell you what it is? Everybody a run down a image. Yeah. A man no want stick to no one girl. Guess them have to sample the whole wide world. Simply forgetting the purpose and the meaning of love. Yeah. Let's say a virtuous one is hard to find nowadays. Cause vanity have enough of them gaze. You want the truth, you want me tell you what it is. Everybody around an image. Yeah. No man no want stick to no one girl. Guess them have to sample the whole wide world. Simply forgetting the purpose and the meaning of love. Yeah? We want a king for us. Get rich together. Stick together, you know? Alright. I'm not sure John now. Alright. Yeah. And them they're reading there. I'm making a bad song. I want to go on tonight. Wagwan. Alright. Here it is. I guess the youths are really they are calling. And don't you pass them by and say they are brawling. The youth is dead and no leaves are falling. Time to come, I'm weeping and mourning. I said the youths are really they are calling. And don't you pass them by and say they are brawling. The youth is dead and no leaves are falling. Time to come, I'm weeping and mourning. Just listen what I say. Alright. Mr. McCormick God said, teach youth and don't you ever lead them astray. Destruction of the self resulting each day. Why you fail to seek the one who will show you the way? I say crime and violence will leave us in silence. Neglecting the poor, can't take it aboard children's free. My fault in the eye them sore. No more. You hear me? I said the youths are in need, they are calling. And though you're passing by, they say they are brawling. The root is dead and no leaves are falling. Time to come, a weeping and mourning. They try to exploit and play with. You see a friend in need and all end with. And don't you see that their hearts are empty? Seems like they need loving plenty. A universal love throughout the century. I have knowledge of this, so try to send me. The youths are really they are calling. And though you're passing by and say they are crawling, the root is dead and no leaves are falling. Time to come, a weeping and mourning. They try to exploit and end with. Yes, your friend in need and all end with. And don't you see that their hearts are empty? Seems like they need loving plenty. A universal love throughout the century. I have